What's up, everybody? It's your boy, I Tech You All Guy, here again with another informative video. Now, this video is pretty much basically about why is it important to still keep antenna HD TV, or to keep the cable core relevant and antenna relevant to your smart TVs or to your basic HD flat panel TVs, things of that sort. So let's just say you are you don't have internet access. Okay, let's say you like internet, like the internets don't work as well out in your area, or it's too much buffering on your internet, or it's too many slowdowns, or it keep disconnecting and reconnecting itself and things in that sort. Okay, let's say house internet, home internet. All right, and you don't want to spend $100 a month or $80 a month or $200 a month for that internet access. Well, you still have antenna TV, and there's a lot of channels that are free. A lot of channels that are free without internet access, without having to spend, dish out thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars a month just to watch one channel. Now, I'm gonna show you this cool interface with Roku TVs, okay? And see that the bottom, it tells you exactly what's on the TV. What's the name of the show or movie, and it just depends on what channel you're on. Now, let me go ahead and get into the menu. Okay, so this is the TV guide that's built in to the Roku. So when you have your antenna plugged in, like I got a cable that's plugged in, and now I'll show you guys how to hook all that up in a link in the description box. Now, I'm getting this without an antenna. You feel me? I'm getting this without an antenna, and I get all these channels, HD channels, antenna channels, because of the smart TV that I have. So, if you look at I got roughly in this particular room. Now that also plays a role too. The location of the dish, or the location of the satellite, or the location of the antenna itself. How do you have it pointed, outside, or pointed towards a window and things and that sort. I've learned a lot about this. It's all about connection. Okay, it's all about the signal and connection. But once you do that, you can find more channels. So I might just have 20 channels in a family room. But if I go to my bedroom, I'll have like 50 channels, or 30. Let's just say 30 free channels, 20 free channels. You guys you're not paying for this. And not only that, you get some cool selections. And majority of these shows now, majority of these channels are actually, you can download from the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store. But of course, you're going to need internet to watch that on your smartphone. If you don't have that Magic TV device I've been talking about, and I'll leave a link in the description box for that. If you're trying to get free TV on your smartphone and free TV on your tablet and iPads, I will leave a link in the description box for that. But this is just basically giving you, a full scale of all these channels for free. You just have to look at your smart TVs, and you got to do some research. You got to do some work. Unfortunately, if you just want it to work and you just want it to come on, then this is the best way to do it without paying for a cable. Now, one cool thing I do like about this Roku TV, even when I do have the cable cord plugged in, the antenna plugged in, you still get neat features just with basic TV. Now, I could play that star, and it says watch, more ways to watch. So I hit the star, and then it's going to load up all these different other applications. I can see this video. Not sure why it's taking so long. Okay, so it's showing me other ways to watch it. It's showing me that it got season 45, episode whatever, and more like this. It gives you also, it lets you know other similar shows that's similar to the one I'm watching on the TV right now. And not only that, it gives you a full description of what you're watching. So this is a pretty cool, neat thing that Roku TV is doing. Besides, giving you access to their app store with a lot of, free content and channels that you really don't have to pay for. The only thing you're paying for is internet access and data. This is what again, I'm trying to, get people to open up and realize that when it comes to our smartphones, we're not paying for calls and texts. When it comes to TV, you're not paying for TV. You're just paying for the internet. And TVs work without internet, your antenna and your cable cord. All right. So this is just like my whole thing why I feel that, that antenna TV is still needed, as well as, internet or FM radio. And I got another video about that. You guys can check out my YouTube channel for that. But I was just, just explaining to you guys, as you saw on the screen, how important it is to keep antenna TV. And not only that, we still have DVD players. DVD players and Blu-ray players are still popular for some reason. And you always got an extra backup, your media player, for your USB flash drives or your portable hard drives. You can, detach from the computers, desktops, and you can plug them right into the back of your TV. And you can have your whole movie library that you downloaded from the computer or desktop, and you can watch that right on your smart TV without having to, buy all this extra, not flash drives, but Roku sticks or extra Chromecast sticks and Fire sticks. You can do it right from your smart TVs, man. I mean, it's a lot of competition for the smart TV industry and for the cable industry. And like I said, for the antenna, everyone wants our money. Everyone wants, wants their product out here. But if you can go to Dollar General, Family Dollar, or even Dollar Tree, I wouldn't be surprised if Dollar Tree is selling $1 antennas or something like that. Maybe $1 flash drives. It's a lot of research in this, all right? It's a lot of trial and error. See which works best for you, because you could be just fine with the free 30 channels you get from an antenna or a cable cord, or the free 20 channels or the free 50. We don't have to pay $150. That's only if people, just want something boom, boom, pow. This is the fastest way to get free TV, your antennas. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you feel that all this cord cutting stuff is overrated, underrated? Do you think companies do get that antenna TV is free and there are over 30 to 50 channels locally, 30 to 50 channels locally, maybe even 100 that we can watch right now, right from our smart TVs without internet access? All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.